Good afternoon, everybody. We're going to be taking a look at Netflix. Now, remember that Netflix was our short trade from very extreme overbought levels, but I'm showing the 60-minute chart. And when Netflix was up here, we were buying the 490 puts, the 480 puts, and even the 470 puts. What I would like to show you yesterday is that it was very volatile, and this is a 60-minute chart. But see, today we put a bottom in. It has a $12.54 range. It had 185 highs today versus the 37 lows. Now, yesterday it gapped down, and this was a great trade to be short, but then you have to know when to buy to cover, and you come out of these trades with all of your profits, okay? One of the things that we would also like to point out is the following. If you go to stockmarketfunding.com, you're going to find out, if you go to trading and you click on the free trial tab, get started right here. That's all you got to do. You spend 5 days, live markets with our market makers. Now, open an account. Read the content. Open the account. Scroll down. Listen to the pattern day trading rule and things that face hurdles that people have. But we will fund your trading account. Read what we will do. 15 to 1 buying power. In some cases, it can be as high as 20 to 1. Here are some of the things that order execution for you retail traders. You will not be retail anymore. You'll be direct access to the floor. So basically, if you want to go back to the home page, and excuse me, this video player should be up here, but some kind of technical difficulty. All you have to do is type in the symbol here and click go. You will find out all the live trading analysis and all the management that will be behind you and your trading account. I said the management behind you and the trading account. So don't have any fears, okay? You don't need to have any fears. Our entries and exits will prove themselves. Not only that, we can clearly see here on the 60-minute chart that we rallied up here. It was a pretty good little rally. It's got a $12.45 range. Again, today, the price action volatility. So, how do I buy the bottom? What do I look for? And let me show you one more thing. I'm showing you now a daily chart of Netflix. And basically, when we were overbought, the party was over. That party was over. The 490 puts, the 480 puts, and the 470 puts paid big money yesterday. Now, that white line and that blue line, the white line's a 50-day simple moving average. It undercut it slightly, and I'm just going to draw a trend line right across here because this is where that last breakout and then that daily consolidation, we are testing where the breakout happened right here. Bam. That's a daily consolidation with the breakout. This is a major reversal. Why? Netflix is overvalued at the current stage. The 50-day moving average, once again, I'm going to tell you at 453.59 pennies. That 40-day moving average, the blue line, that's at 455.79 for Netflix. Now, my friends, when we take a look at the type of action that we had, we hit 445. So you had another day dropping down to 445 on those lows here on this 60-minute chart. And then guess what? We rallied on up and we made a high there. So that's a great move on getting the bottom of these short-term oversold stocks. Remember that the bears and the short sellers, when the stock starts to go back up in value, they have to buy to cover. And that's what part of the move is. Yesterday, the markets had a very rough day in the technology index. There's no doubt about it. And NASDAQ had a big haircut yesterday, but it's doing fairly well today. It has a counter trend from yesterday's selling. Buying the dip mentality with an FOMC meeting on board, Alibaba IPO on Friday. Everything is set up to make more money within these volatility price ranges and how you work them. Once again, get with SMF, get in a live trading room, get some trading capital behind you, get some order entries and exits behind you with the management team here, and you'll do well.